Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain you how do I color realistic eyes with color pencils and this marker. I will use Prismacolor and Zenacolor. I will mix them together. With the help of a marker we color the pupils and we make the outline around the iris also. And then the outline will go also to the upper part of the eyelashes. If you are new to pencil colors and you want to understand how to blend pencil colors, I will drop my tutorial link in the description and I hope it will help you to understand the process. Now with sienna color, I start to do a contouring around the down part of the eye and I start to trace the eyebrows after. To color the eyes, I usually start with the black color and I simulate all the shadows inside the various areas. So yes, sometimes I press harder and sometimes I press softly because we know that in the upper part of the eye the shadows are always more darker. Yes, that's what I'm doing. Darker upside and lighter downside. When I color the sclera, which is the white part of our eye, I add some sienna color, some pink, and in some cases I also add the purple color, but not today, not today because my reference doesn't have the purple color inside. Most important is to blend softly all around the areas where we see those colors. And now I'm using a grey Prismacolor brand. What we have to do now is to color around our iris, making many concentric lines. And yes, I will press harder upside and in some points I will just be soft. Just make sure that those lines are concentric. It doesn't matter the shape, but yes, try to don't make it too straight. At the same time, while I'm drawing two lines, I'm blending the outline to make it more deep. Yes, as you can see downside, the stroke is very light. And now I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. Now with a lighter blue, I'm kindly blending all around the iris again, because when we use different colors, in this case we are using the blue, when I use different kind of blue and azure colors, our drawings gain more realism and more brightness. These tips helps a lot to get a three-dimensional effect. To add more contrast to this blue and to make it kind of marine, I'm now using this kind of green azure color, but I already forgot the name. Let me see, the name is Light Aqua from the Prismacolor brand. Well, basically is sky blue mixed with green, and it helps a lot to give contrast. For example, we are drawing a brown eye. We will use the black. We will start with the black, then we will add the dark brown, then the sienna, and instead of this dark aqua, we will use the orange or the yellow color, because those light and bright colors just lights up what we are drawing. And now, by using my white color, and I'm using the white Prisma because this white color draw bright up to other colors. Yeah, I'm just giving more strength to the light areas and make some random lines to make it more realistic. At this point we are adding a yellow color, and I think this is a Zena color, and I found that this yellow Zena color is a bit pinky, so it's pretty good to draw eyes. And yes, now again I'm going to use the white Prisma all over the sclera to blend all those colors together and to get how to say, to get a smooth effect. Yeah. Now with brown chocolate color, I'm going to blend around the eye. Remember that black colors give depth to our drawings, so don't be afraid to use them. But be careful, because we don't even have to exaggerate. We just need to use the right pressure. So now I'm going to draw the eyelash. This character is Merida the Brave, so her eyelash are orange, red, yellow, brown. So those are the colors I'm going to use in this case. And yeah, basically it's all a game of lights and shadows and pressure. But if you put the shadows in the right point, the light in the right point, your drawing will be good. When I draw the eyelash, I start from the inside to the outside, so I won't get a stick form. Usually I'm doing the same thing down and in both sides. I'm continuing to color the eyelash with the other colors I've mentioned before. And then with my Kawaii Jelly Roll 8 pen, which is a white pen, I will go again inside the iris, and I will make some spare lines just to add more shadows, but as you can see the result is just good. Even now this is just an extra. It depends on the art style you want to pursue. Well, I really love the Jelly Roll 8 pen, so I will use it because I love the effect it gives to my drawings. And it writes very good. If you want to watch the full drawing video, I will drop the time-lapse version and the real speed ones in the comments and description. This is the final result. If you like it, don't forget to press the like button and to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and see you soon with my next drawing. Bye!